this shit.
bg3000, the mixtape. Yeah. Hey. I'm just another black man out here trying to make it. NYC. Who thinks I got what it takes in this city? I'm on my grind. Evidently, fools don't wanna fight me, 'cause I be kicking shit like Jet Li, if you tempt me.
I'm just another black man out there trying to make it. NYC. Who thinks I got what it takes in this city? I'm on my grind evidently. Fools don't wanna fight, 'cause I be kicking shit like that. If you tell me.
Down on the lane, basketball court. I be dunking on niggas like Sean Kempley. Posterizer, and I'm only 5'7", you see. Jumping like an energizer, like a new age Nate Robinson. President, I ain't got no kids like that nigga Chief Keef. On child support, I think he got about 11. Yo, good luck, President. But that's my nigga though, he a fool, yo. I grew up in high school. I thought you know, 12, 14 years ago, listening to his music, bro. But I broke out of that Chirac mentality a long time ago. I'm just me. In my music, I might just talk about my used to favorite beat rapper, Chief Keef. I'm from New York. I grew up watching beat 1, 2, and 3. I don't think you want it with me. Got shooters guarding residents, posted up with AK-47s in, waiting for your punk ass to step out of line. You be stepping in, bullets get you sketched in. Nigga, back the fuck up. I'm strapped the fuck up. I'm get the fuck up. Like Chief Keef. I'm back the fuck up. And I'm proud of this shit. Scared of who? I don't think you want one. 'Cause I'm back the fuck up. Free my nigga Dirty, yo. And Reese, hold your head. Know y'all niggas fight time. Just hold your head, 'cause I'm the truth. Speaking that and fighting y'all. Never paid attention to a song. Damn, that's but you can catch me outside of that range. Doing maniac robberies against Jews. Before I start crying with that rap shit. Bullets be gone. Bullets get you off the plane. Get it. I'm just another black man out here trying to make it in NYC. Who thinks I got what it takes? This city on my grind evidently. Fools don't wanna fight me, 'cause I be kicking shit like Jet Li. If you tempt me, get it. 'Cause I'm just another black man out here trying to make it in NYC. Who thinks I got what it takes to make it in the city? I'm on my grind evidently. Who don't wanna fight me, 'cause I be kicking shit like Jet Li. If you tempt me, let's get it.